Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Learn with Virali. I'm Virali, your guide on this coding adventure. In today's video, we'll learn how to use an HTML audio element to display it on our HTML web page. So let's get started. So we are trying to build something like this, which is shown on the web page here, having to deal with a heading, specifying learning HTML audio tags, and then having a small audio to be played onto our HTML page. So the audio should be playing like this. Alright, so now let us jump back to our HTML document, as in the HTML code, to see how to build this kind of an HTML web page. Okay, so first let us understand what is an HTML audio element, or what is an audio tag and what kind of elements does it consist of. So HTML audio element is nothing but a tag that is used to display audio elements onto your web page. In terms of how it works, it has various parameters that you can include inside your audio tag, which we will see in a minute. But first, let me just give you a brief introduction about what kind of parameters are included inside the audio tag. It includes controls that is going to help you to control how to play the music whenever your web page is loaded or whenever an HTML page is loaded, in terms of playing, pausing, or increasing the volume at a certain level. Next is you have a source element that you can use to specify various alternative audio files which the browser can choose from. So the browser will use the first recognized format, and whatever text is being displayed amongst the starting and the ending audio tags will only be displayed in the browsers that do not support the audio element. So now let us understand the code that we have here. So as we discussed, in order for having an audio element displayed onto your web page, an audio element needs to be written, or an audio tag needs to be included inside your body. So now I have an audio tag, as in the starting tag and the ending tag, with different controls that we'll be specifying in a minute, in terms of muted, in terms of increasing the volume, in terms of playing it, and many more things. So now the very important and the most interesting part here is we have to specify the source from which the audio file has to be loaded from, also specifying the type of that particular audio file. Now I have downloaded an instrumental music in an MP3 format. That's where I have uploaded this instrumental music.mp3 within the workspace onto which my day24.html is located. That is the result. I've just included the name along with the type of the file, which is an mp3 file, having to deal with this kind of a type, which specifically makes the browser understand that if it is audio/mpeg, that simply means that the file is in the mp3 format. If the file is in the OGG format, that is a different type. If the file is in WAV format, there is a different type that needs to be loaded. Please check out the description box below for understanding what kind of type needs to be given in if the type of the file is other than mp3. I hope this video was insightful, and in the next video we'll look for more controls that we can use with the audio elements in terms of playing it while it being muted. So until then, stay tuned and follow me for more such videos. Happy coding!